Good morning, students. Starting with your GK class. As we have completed up to language and literature, now proceeding towards experiential learning. That is through experience we have to learn. So, first topic is giving first aid, that is page number 17, and second topic is teamwork, that is page number 47. Teamwork is based on it is an activity based chapter, so we will not do it now. We will proceed towards giving first aid, that is page number 17. Now, first aid is the first medical help given to an injured person before a doctor arrives. We must stay calm while giving first aid. So, in case of wounds, cuts, or scratches, what should be done? Wash the area with clean, lukewarm water. Apply an antiseptic cream or spray. Cover the wound with sterile gauze bandage. Then, in case of sprains or fractures, what should be done? Apply an ice pack to the affected area. In case of a fracture, give support to the broken bone by putting a splint or a sling. Now, in case of nosebleeds, what should be done? Make the patient sit upright. Press the bleeding side of the nose firmly. Apply an ice pack to the nose. Ask the patient not to blow her or his nose. Now, in case of electric short, what should be done? Switch off the main power supply immediately. Move the person away from the electric gadget. Keep the patient warm until a doctor arrives. Now, in case of minor burns, what should be done? Hold the affected area under cool running water for 5 minutes. Apply an ointment like Bernol on the affected area. Wrap a clean dry gauze loosely around the affected area. Now, in case of an asthma attack, help the patient to sit upright, help the patient to puff an inhaler if he or she has one. Quickly call for a doctor. Now, in case of animal bites, wash the wound with soap and water. Apply an antiseptic lotion or cream to prevent infection. Cover the wound with a dry or sterile gauze. Take the patient to a doctor immediately. Now, in case of stings, remove the sting using a straight edged object. Wash the area thoroughly with soap and water. Put an ice pack on the affected area. Apply an antiseptic lotion or cream to prevent itching. Now, in case a person faints, make the patient lie down, raise her or his legs slightly above the level of the body with a pillow or blanket. Do not crowd around the patient. Loosen the collar or any other tight clothing that might interfere with breathing. Now, here is an exercise related to this topic. What first aid should be given in the following cases? First is your friend has sprained her foot while playing football. What should be done? In case of sprains, apply ice pack on the affected area. Now only we have seen it. Second, a bee has stung your grandfather. Remove the sting using straight edged object and wash the area thoroughly with soap and water. Put an ice pack on area and apply antiseptic cream. This is also given on the left page. Third, your sister has fallen off a swing. Her leg is swollen. What should be done? Give support to the broken bone by putting a splint. Fourth, your father has cut his chin while shaving. What should be done? Wash the chin area with clean water, apply antiseptic cream, and cover the wound with a sterile gauge bandage. Fifth, your mother has burnt her hand while cooking. Hold the affected area under cool running water for 5 minutes. Apply ointment on the area and wrap a clean, dry gauze loosely around it. 6. Your brother is nose bleeding. What should be done? Make him sit upright and place the bleeding side firmly. Apply ice pack to the nose. 7th, your friend has been bitten by a dog. Wash the wound with soap and water. Apply antiseptic to prevent infection. Cover the wound with sterile, dry gauze and take him to doctor immediately. 8th, your sister has severe toothache. Yes, a loose to remove any particles lodged between them. Give her a pain relieving tablet or apply clove oil and consult a dentist. So use a floss to remove any particles. Always it is stuck between two teeth. Ninth, you are traveling with cousin and he immediately feels motion sickness. What should be done? Relax, take deep breath or close your eyes. Look at a stable object. Breathe fresh air and eat peppermint. Now, 10th, your father has accidentally stepped on a nail and is profusely bleeding. So, the first step is to stop bleeding by applying gentle pressure with a cloth and promote clothing. Clean the wound, apply antiseptic, and cover the wound with sterile gauze. 11th, you see an injured bird sitting quietly and lying next to your building. What should be done? Examine the bird, stop the bleeding by placing clean cloth over it. You can also consult a veterinary doctor. 12th, some foreign object has entered your friend's eye. What should be done? Wash your hands with soap and water. Try to flush out the object out of the eye with a gentle stream of clean warm water. So these are the these are the steps you should do immediately after some injury or some medical condition has arrived. So this completes your access or giving first aid chapter. Now next chapter is a teamwork which is to be done when you all are together. It is an activity based. So this we will do it when we'll meet together, most probably after Diwali. So these are the teamwork, what should be done in a team activity related to the team. Okay. So this completes your today GK video lecture. Thank you.